Welcome to an example in which we're finding a logarithm of 10,000. So let's bring it down here. How do we do with a log of 10,000? Well, the first thing is we've got to realize the base is missing. Every log has a base, a number that's like down here, called B for base. And so if it's not showing, do you know that it is 10? Let me show you the notes here. In invisible log bases. Basically, if they write like when the base is 10, you can simply write the log without a base, and 10 is assumed. This is called the common log. So if there's no base showing like that, it's really 10. If they write ln, then there's really a base of e, but that's not us. We just have a regular log, so that means it's base 10. It's really there. Every log has a base. There's no such thing as a log without a base. So I'm going to fill in the 10, okay? And I'm going to say equal to x. I'm just going to give it a letter because, that's what we're trying to find x, what a log base 10, a log of 10,000 equals. Okay, so now what do we do? Well, if you remember from the notes, we have a log, we do kind of like the Nike swoosh. We take the base, start with the base and swoosh around. So it becomes base z to the c is w, like that. So I'm going to go back here and go, okay, it's swish time. So I'm going to grab the 10 and go like this and like this. That means 10 to the x equals 10,000. So when you do that, you get rid of the log word. So when you do that swish, you get rid of the log words. Let's recap. So I put in the invisible base 10. When you write the normal log word and they don't show a base, it's 10. If they write ln, then it's e. And then I just put it equal to x because I need to have it equal to something on the right side. Then I do the swish and the log goes away. So when you do the swish, the log goes away. We get to this now. 10 to what power is 10,000? Well, do you remember how that works? Like if you have 10 to the 1 power, that's just 10. 10 to the 2 power, that's 10 times 10, that's 100, huh? 10 to the third power is 10 times 10 times 10. That's 1,000. And you get the idea, right? That the power is the number of zeros, isn't it? So how many zeros do we have here? 4 zeros. X must be 4. So that's the answer to our question, 4 on that one. And so there we go.